Good morning from a random alleyway on the outskirts of High Wycombe. Today we're going to cross the county border into Oxfordshire. So first, let's jump on a bus. Now made it to Chinnor in South Oxfordshire, just over the border from where I live in Buckinghamshire. By now you've probably already figured out where I'm going because it will be in the title of the video. But first, let's have a quick look at the classic railway here. Unfortunately not open because today is a Friday and they do only open on Sundays, but we'll still take a quick look en route. Let's go. It is a bit of a shame that the railway isn't open today. The steam trains, classic old steam trains, do look very cool. I'm going to try and get a few shots over the hedge as it seems to all be closed up. Turns out that I could get in and have a quick sneak peek. Some geezers working on an old carriage that seems to be used as a cafe now. On our way to the nature reserve, we've come across a beautiful piece of architecture, a lime kiln dating back to 1908, preserved in the middle of this modern, fairly new build housing estate. Now, if you think this water behind me looks inviting on this hot, humid and spicy summer day in England, you'd be correct. It does look quite inviting. The only problem with that is it has the same pH level as bleach. It's extremely irritant and completely toxic. The reason for the stunning colour of the water is that we're in a former limestone quarry here, and the white chalky geology gives that colour the amazing tint. Now, if you want to come and visit the toxic lakes of Oxfordshire yourself, be warned, you do have to climb a fence. It's not a difficult fence to climb, but I don't think technically I'm supposed to be in it, so you have got to break the rules a bit and be a little bit naughty if you want to get in it. I made that look harder than it was. I'm glad no one was watching that. So I make my way up this steep hill through the undergrowth. The clouds in front of me are looking ever greyer. Now, despite living just 30 minutes away from this place, basically my entire life, I don't think I've actually ever been here before, so this part anyway will be new to me as well. Let's go and explore. Great indicator there about what kind of summer we've had in Britain this year. Late August and there's muddy puddles everywhere. It's a bit of a choose your own adventure moment. I'm deliberately not looking at the map. Should I go left or right? What do you think? Bit more cheeky fence climbing. Let's see if I can make a better job of this one. Could I just step over that one? Like Kane, the big red machine. There's a good niche reference for me. Having just made a reference to the big red machine, Kane, there's also some big red dragonflies flying around here. It's too difficult to get them on camera, but they look very cool. I haven't seen anything like that in this country before. You get the small blue ones. I can see one flying around down there now. But nothing like these great big red ones I've just seen down there. Very cool. Leave the nature reserve behind and venture back into the town of Chinnor, where we'll go in search of something a little bit special before we jump on the bus home. Let's go. Back to suburbia. Just got to find my way out of this housing estate now. Seems like the perfect place to wrap up today's video with this beautiful 234-year-old windmill as the backdrop. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.